Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Logitech G935, and now I'm gonna show you how to take off the battery on this device. To take off the battery, you need to open you need to take off the left cover from the left headphone. Then in this guest, open the battery, and here you will see the connect, and you need to disconnect these pins. It's very easy to do. You don't need to use power to do it. It's very easy to do. And in this way you can take off the battery, and of course then you can replace the battery in this easy way. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.